everybody, here we are again, and we are in Lake Irvine today. I took my drone out just to continue practicing flying it a bit, and then also working on my video editing as well. So I could have done a little bit better of a job moving the camera, make it a little bit more smoothly. So next time I'll make sure to look out for that. I thought that was a pretty good transition. But I really like how the drone, when it comes out, and it's a windy day, and it was a rather windy day today, you don't even see it. You don't even see that it's reacting to it. There were a lot of fishermen on the shore throughout this whole lake, so that was kind of cool. One person I saw a fish come out, it was huge. Oh, and by the way, sorry for the porta potty there. They're all over the place. Really worked to push the limits on how far the drone could go. The drone can go actually much farther than this, but I like to have the drone in sight. And at one point here, I completely lost sight of the drone, and so was going completely off of the camera view. Not really supposed to do that, but at the same time, I was just kind of pushing the limits a little bit. The day was definitely kind of overcast. It rained just a little bit out here, just very light sprinkle. But it was a pretty good day nonetheless to be out. Nice cool day. Okay, so I did not see this fisherman right in the bottom right corner when I was filming, and I probably scared fish away for him because I was pretty close to the water with this drone. Sorry. Here's a pretty good shot of the entire lake and the RV storage facility at this lake. And this is about will do it for us today. Thank you for watching.